of the birthday.
I did post it.
It's on TMM.
Huh?
It's on TMM.
What do you mean on TMM?
It's on TMM.
Daddy, why are you relaxing?
I'm not relaxing, I'm driving.
I saw you all pushing the chair back.
I wasn't pushing the chair back, I'm just driving.
Look, there's so many bodies.
What's your problem, bro?
Daddy, where's the BMW? Yes, the BMW.
No, the camera. No, the camera can see BMWs.
Okay. Daddy,
Uh,
where's the BMW?
The camera, no,
No,
where's
the camera will see the where's the BMW. The camera will see. Where's the BMW? The BMW.
Chero's car?
That's not Tero's gold.
Yes, he have a blue car, so
It's not Tero's gold.
Daddy, why when I stick in those rain?
what do you mean?
It's gonna take rain now.
Where? Is that raining?
Bella said they must come in the rain. No. Oh, no. Think about that, Papa. She told the king, take the pieces. Daddy, look, yes, the forest there.
Forest.
Yeah, there's the tree. Look, there's a tree. And yes. It's still at the tree coming here. Shady. Oh, there's another one. Daddy, you're going to the other tree again.
No, sorry.
We're going straight down. Oh,
You like for us?
yes, no, yes,
Because
yes, yeah, no, this is a stick, it's a monster. There's not a BMW.
there's a blue.
No, this is not a BMW. Look at this. It's not BMW.
Well, this is leaky car.
Look at that expensive car.
Oh my God, you just saw that. Yes.
She told the potato. Mama, wait, a bit of push.
Look here. Look here.
And when you see AK was driving and AK was standing there to go.
Oh,
AK is driving, then I'm gonna see with Daddy. You saw AK's car at the water and AK was driving. AK didn't know I was behind him. He didn't look behind. I was there and he didn't see my face. There's the Jesus car there, the grey one there. 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 You see?
that's what it is, sir.
Yeah, it's going straight. And also we also going straight.
It is a white car.
No, this one here.
Is no, I saw no fish one. No fish one was using a black car. So this is no fish was car. It is no fish was car. It's not so it's
Hi.
a Lamborghini.
It's a Lamborghini.
Why?
You can't.
Well, look how why is no fish was so fast?
No, we have fast car. We have a fast car, the grey one. Oh, there's this thing. Look at it. But Daddy, I already brushed my teeth.
Good job.
And I just eat mac and cheese, Daddy. I cannot wipe the seat.
There's nothing.
Oh.
There's it's stuck.
They're stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Which one? This one?
This one, you bumped the fence.
This one?
Look there, you bumped the fence.
How?
I don't know how.
And look how they are stuck like this now. Look at the car, Daddy. Look at the car, Daddy. Look at the cars like this.
Yeah, I see.
Daddy has blood on his head.
Oh,
Daddy burned his head.
I don't know.
Daddy
Yes,
why
sir.
did just
A BMW is right there. It's right.
Why are you talking to me like this, bro? Do you say bro to Ike?
Are you still taking a video?
Do you say bro to Ike?
There's the Mario video, Daddy. It brings up the Mario video. Oh.
Do you say bro to Ike?
No, it didn't.
And to the father?
No, it didn't. No, it's not the father. No, Fiswa. No, Fiswa.
The guy only wants to play with Lupita the whole time. He wants to play what love is what because he's only self love is what but he's not.
Doesn't he play with Toriso?
He does to play with girls and he does to play with girls.
Doesn't he play with Toriso? Is Toriso a boy?
No, it's a girl.
So Malaga plays with Toriso, mas.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, you must play with boys and girls. Who do you play with you?
I'm choosing
Who do you
boys.
play with?
I'm choosing rice. I'm choosing
And who does TJ play with? Jason? Josh. Joshua.
Joshua was right.
And who plays with Zion?
Nah, DJ is DJ.
No, TJ doesn't play with Zion.
Oh.
When are we gonna go to his house, my nigga?
You must fetch him in the airport, not driving there.
Why did you wanna drive there?
It's too far.
So what? Who's the new persons? Not to tell them that.
Yes, so this is part of the great one.
That's how it is.
This was cast the black one, and so this is cast the green one. Look at this first one.
He's not coming to us. School is the same. The school is not the same. That's not.
So this is going to buy money, bro.
Oh, he's not. He's coming over church.
He's gonna buy money. Then he will go to school.
One. But there are two. What can we do? Simon, Sandra.
So what? Where's Eli? Eli.
No, it's not. One. Potato two. Potato three. Potato four. Potato six. Potato seven. Potato four.
What's up, bro?
Daddy, stop.
You say you saw Elo, bro. Why don't you want me to say bro?
You can
Is it
still
only,
see the
is it only you is allowed to say bro? Only you can say bro. Do you say bro to Ike?
See, I closed the 13. I'm closing it. It's closed.
I saw Eli's face in the.
No, you didn't.
I saw Eli's face.
You see, you say bro. So I saw Eli's face, bro. I promise you see
I see it.
I saw him.
That's the guy. Oh, There's not a gun.
Car. There's Chero's car.
That's not Teru's car there. It must be blue.
It is like blue.
It must be
I
the
Lamborghini.
It must have the
I
blue.
there's a Lamborghini there.
It must have the blue labels.
A BMW.
Whoa.
Where's Eli now? Where's
Wait. I see him driving. I see the black car. There's the black car. Oh, there's a Ferrari. The Ferrari.
Yes, I know.
Oh, there's a red BMW. It's a Lamborghini.
Yeah, this is a Lamborghini.
No, it's a red BMW.
That is just a Lamborghini.
Which one?
Daddy, is
The red
this?
one.
No,
It's a BMW.
you see.
A red one.
Yes.
It looks like a Lamborghini.
No, it's not. It's not like the Lamborghini. See, you say you don't
Daddy,
like.
why is the guy running?
Look, see, you say you like Lamborghini. I told you BMWs are fast. Look how BMW is fast. Look how we are behind him.
Yeah.
Because he's too fast. Look how fast he is. You must buy a BMW. I wanna buy a BMW because he's too fast. He's too fast.
Now you are gonna scream.
No, I'm not gonna scream.
I'm scared of you.
Shani, stop being scared of BMWs.
And then you must drive a Lamborghini because you are not scared of Lamborghinis. Lamborghinis are so scared. It's faster. You can use that.
I'm using BMW.
BMWs are really slow.
Daddy, BMWs are faster.
Yeah, I do. All the cars are
Ah, look
fast.
there, look there, the BMW.
Oh, this is Daddy. This is the same car.
Yes, it is. Charlie, where is your phone? Give it the spoon. You better charge your phone 100 times.
My phone is not charging, but it's charging this tablet first. Now I'm not charging my phone flat now.
Where is your phone?
Flat.
It's home.
But this one is charging.
Daddy,
Eh?
why only teacher must take his own spoon?
Why must what?
Only teacher take his own spoon.
Teacher is big.
Oh!
Daddy, I saw teacher's house.
Where?
He have a pool on it.
A pool.
Yes, and he have purple.
That's nice, boss. Guys, sharp.
Yeah.
Open your doors.